called the river rat. Uh-oh, somebody left the box open. See that? They're not supposed to do that. That is wrong. You get in big trouble for that. Actually, they fine you for that. So we'll make sure we close it before we leave. Whoever did it, it's like a $2,000 or $3,000 fine. Their truck company has to pay for it, or they do, depending on the owner. Okay. So we only have 2 tanks open. So we do our reading. We'll have to, when we do our math, we'll have to figure it at 2 tanks instead of 3. Close our valve. Clean off our thing. Clean off our glass so we can see the production coming in. All right, let's go see what our gauge says. Pretty view today. The sun's going down. It's cold. Saw some sun dogs in the sky next to the sun. There's one of them there actually. You can kind of see it behind the wires there. It's a little rainbow kind of looking thing. They call them sun dogs. There's one on the other side over there too. All right, 5 foot. So let's say 5'2". I've already been pulling. All right, so let's go do paperwork. Let's get our ground wire on here. That's important. You don't want to forget that. Whoa, slippery. 5'2". Clean up our wire. All right, we'll go around the other way since the hose is in the way. Clean our lights off real quick. Don't want anybody having any trouble not seeing us. 5'2". All right. Beautiful evening. It's 10 after 5. There's the other sun dog there. You can see it above the tanks to the right a little bit. Today earlier there was a full circle, full rainbow around the sun just from all the snow. We're going to do our paperwork. Do our paperwork, get everything ready.